Hello people, today I wanted to show you how to load the texture in Softimage because before you want to unwrap texture because I'm using Cycles Render engine because it is possible to use this render engine inside the Softimage. You can also use graphics card to render. But we have to connect our texture. Let's check what we got here. And we have to delete all the projection because I need to load the new map. Unfold works, okay. Okay, I will have to just open up unfold. Oh, now what does this option do? Okay, what I have to do? Onto the line, cut section from the edge. I have got couple projections, but we still have to disconnect this, and I will show you how to correctly connect the maps. You can see this is not fake. When you see cycles, it is possible to install cycles render engine. Cycles, when you go to those cycles, input cycles texture coordinate. I don't know, I was talking about it before. You can open up this cycles, vector, cycles, mapping. You connect UV to vector. You open up by double mouse clicking and you choose texture. I think we will connect a diffuse map at the moment. Nodes, cycles, texture, cycles image texture. You have to click on that. We have to connect to vector. We will load our map. I would like to choose the green one. I forgot and I have to connect it to base color. We have to choose a clip. Now you can see we have got beautiful duvet. But for some reasons I still did not manage to discover how to prevent UV texture from to avoid the disappearance. This disappears when I switch to full view arc. For some reasons, I can only see texture when I switch to texture editor. You can click on that button. This will allow you to see only texture editor, and that will place gizmo in the middle of texture. This will scale. When you hold the middle mouse button and you drag mouse button to the top, you go by mouse button to the top while you are holding middle mouse button. You can scale upward. Like okay, this topic was maybe okay import texture. When you use one of the plugins, add-ons, uninstall, you can see cycles 2.1.3. This is render engine. Because by default, Softimage has mental ray built in. You can also import some other plugins. Quickly, I will show you. I'm waiting for the newest release. I hope now you understand what I was talking about. Because I don't know how many people know about this utility. Softimage has native support for Cycles render engine. That one is based on Blender 4.0 alpha or beta version. Okay, I can show you. I should have hidden everything else. I will render Duvet to check, but I didn't import normal map. But you can see tiles, they have a displays map. You can still import the displays map. I hope you like my video tutorial how to import the texture. But please keep in mind what texture projection is proper. Probably that one already here. I was publishing already that video tutorial, but in this video tutorial I just wanted to show you how to import texture, diffuse map, and how to connect to Principled BSDF shader. I hope you like my video tutorial.